I've seen a lot of people obsess about clearing their nose, blowing out their nose. Some people just don't do that. They just suck it up. Which is a better thing to do?
The issue with the nasal decongestants is it gives you instant relief, but in the long term, it is bad for your body because it causes a condition called rhinitis medicamentosa.
How do we differentiate that from allergies?
Patients who have allergies will have these symptoms either seasonally, which comes in usually cold seasons, or when there's a transit of season, or when they are constantly having it every day. Patients who develop cold will have symptoms which occurs suddenly and goes away suddenly.
Is there a trigger that happens because of the types of nose?
The anatomy of the nose is crucial for someone being susceptible or not.
Check out the full video linked below to understand this in detail. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ENT Health 360 for more such informative videos.